So we are going for the Maiden trip with the new Tinny. It's a 309 Stacia Stinger, and we just brought a brand new 20 horsepower Suzuki for it. Everyone's told us it's going to be too powerful, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, pretty keen. Keen?
Keen.
Let's go. On our way to the river camp, heading just a bit over an hour up the coast. Got the Tinny on the back, on top of the van, hoping to get some muddies, go for a dive, get some abalone and big, hopefully, lobster, and not break my finger this time trying to get them.
I'm so excited if we can get a lobster.
Do some fishing.
Try out the new Tinny and the new motor.
Just relax. Have a fire.
Hot chocolate.
What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve?
I want to go for a dive and hopefully the visibility is good and hopefully see some cool things. That's probably the main thing I want to do, and also just read my book and catch fish as always, so I can make fish and chips, or you can make fish and chips and I can eat fish and chips.
Yeah, I just want to catch fish,
or
do some diving,
pie. Sorry,
get a cheeseburger pie, coffees in the morning, around the fire.
Yeah, just a bit more chill than usual. I guess it's only a few days, but knowing us, there won't be that much chilling or knowing you.
I cannot sit still. Anyway, show you the setup soon. Oh, trying to use that one. Yeah, baby.
On the road again.
Alright, we're here. Big Trent, fresh on the scene. Fresh on the scene. What's your name? What's your mob? Where you from?
You can't put that in the video.
What? I'm Cree. Tinny made it in one piece. Trees blocking our sun. Little DIY boat ramp looking thing here. I'm not used to that. Yep.
Would you look at that? That's stunning. This is the first time getting the Tinny off the van. Caleb and I got it on. How's this gonna go? Do they have enough muscles?
Ready? Easy work. Easy. I need to get rid of these trash stickers though.
It wasn't even bad.
Stash house.
Light work. ready to take it on the beach. Go for a dive. Hey.
You gonna do the jump rock?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. What's that?
How far down?
So we just tried to get on the beach, but it's been a bit washed out. I don't think we would have made it. It's a lot steeper than what it actually looks. Someone's done it. So looks like we're going to try and find another entrance.
Everyone says that the full drive entrance is closed.
Alright, take 2. Just reversed out. I'm going to try another entrance. That was a close one. Just a river crossing. Gonna go for a bit of a dive. It's freezing, starting to rain. Maybe get some lobsters.
Putting the pressure on me.
Yep. We don't have a spear. We've just got our hands. That's all you need.
Yeah.
It's so flat. Literally so flat. But the viz is probably questionable. But we'll soon find out. It's about 10 degrees. The water's about 10 degrees.
Alright. We're making it down. Johnny Sins and fucking Kim Kardashian coming down.
Fucking sports mode.
Okay, I'm actually a bit nervous about this part, Caleb. I'm stuck. Can you put the GoPro down?
No, this is the part you want to
You're
film.
gonna have to wait. I don't know how to get.
Put your feet over here where it's dry. She's made it.
Light work.
Just slender man on his way through. Fucking easy for him. He's fucking. And this is where we're diving. Well, it's nice and clear. Doesn't look like much, but these little rock pools actually hide abalone and the odd lobster. I've never caught a lobster though. Let's go. This is how you get in. You just gotta
He's just seen a lobster.
Give me your goggles. Okay. Stay away from this rock, there's a couple of lobsters there.
Where do you want me to go?
Where do you want me to go?
Just leave it there.
I should be holding this guy.
Hold on a second. Through there. Oh, please. Wish I had that weight belt there.
Did I get it? What's your plan if you get one? Like, how are you going to hold on to it?
I missed it. The other one was bigger. I knew he lost me air too. He was wedging a rock. I'm like, I'm looking up. I'm like, someone deliver me some air. It's Abalone, but that's a bit small. What do you reckon that looks like? See Abalone, Trent? Hold it.
What have you got?
So then.
Yeah. And Caleb is sporting my goggles because he always makes me swap because mine are better. That's a good size one. Gonna cook that up. What does that look like, Trent? Another good one.
You didn't get that, did you?
No, I missed it. I'm not taking the GoPro in. I need the hand wrist thing. Ready? Throw it. Big dog. That was waves. How dramatic, I was dying. Didn't think we were gonna make it.
There was one caught here just before.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boys held them out.
Oh, we've been bogged here too many times. Go Polly! Huh? The debut of the Tinny. Perfect. A little ramp.
Yeah, it just fits, eh? Here's my... You dig in?
Squash the rods.
Oh, kill switch. Where's that? It was in the fucking van. Hang 10. Need kill switch.
Oh god. You got the bung in?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't tip us. Oh, we're on the bottom. Okay, oh, it's a bit top heavy on my side. There we go. Oh, don't go too far. Bye, camp. We may make it back, we may not. Time will tell. We're gonna get some fish.
Yeah, you guys alright?
Caleb!
What?
Scary!
Boat's afloat. What's he got, little flatty? Ew. First fish in the boat. First fish in the boat.
Yeah, I
Ice
did
cream.
say that. That's an ice cream.
Keep filming him. Shit, that's me, sorry.
Yeah, chill out, mate. Ah.
Wow, Caleb, we really need to oh, look at it. So cute. We're back. We made it.
Easy work. It's alright. It'll swing around and then I'll grab it.
We've nearly made it.
I'm that cold that I don't want to touch this fucking
No.
cold water again.
Not much fish though.
There was two.
Two.
Two good ones. Donkers.
Alright.
See you later.
I'm gonna take it for a spin.
See you, mate.
Life into Brisbane. Look at this from Walsh.
What are you on?
Been great off the boot, hasn't he?
Wow.
The context of
Rod out, no fish. This is the girl.
I think we have a Broncos fan in our graphics department. We were bringing him forward to show the ladder again because they're back in the 8th. But they're in. The big prize
Big
obviously
man.
is winning. And
We'll set up.
what the Roosters have produced the last couple of
This is a reminder to put your rubbish up high because the dingoes will get it. Cheeky monkeys. Mad morning, though. No fish once again besides 2 flatty. Trent got his in the boat. I didn't. Tinny went well though. Go check the pots this morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Hopefully it stays like that. Getting our daily pie and coffee fix.
Essentials.
What's the plan today?
Get a pie, have a coffee, go and check the crab traps, have a flick, and then maybe head over to the beach for a little bit.
Yep.
And do a cheese platter for lunch. Food is always involved in the schedule.
And maybe UFC.
Oh yeah.
UFC, go to the pub, couple soda waters,
Pepsi Max.
Pepsi Max. We're on again.
I don't know what one I want.
I'm telling you right now, this pie shop does the best pies. And I'm not telling you where it is, you can figure it out for yourself.
Probably like a big sign that literally says.
Phew.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
It's time to get the bad boy back in the water and check the traps.
There's the bottom. Lucky I had me in there, eh?
Fuck, it must be shallow this time of the day.
Well, we're on a sandbank. Well,
Oh, I've got that on camera too.
I'll get a set up, mate.
Should have that pretty much. Well, first mishap in the tinny, straight into a sandbank. The one bit of sandbank throughout the whole fucking river. Oh, I shouldn't have swore, sorry. This be a mad little area to fish off. I'll putt up along the side. Can you walk over there or not?
That's all.
Deep. We just managed to hit the one bit. Deep either side. Sandbank right here.
You like had my hand there, you just fucking smashed onto it. I didn't like crunched it.
Yeah. On high tide, you'd be able to like, get up here for sure with a tinny. So sandy. Alright, on the menu tonight, lobby. Yes, it's legal, just and some abs. With these abalone, there's probably better ways to do it, but this is what my old boy showed me. You gotta get like a spoon, and there's all this like black gunk and slime on it. You scrape all this off. As you can see, that's all the pus that comes off it. Scrape all that off. You don't want to be eating that crap. Pretty yucky. And to get them out, shove this spoon in here. You don't want to go, a little bit hard to see, but you don't want to go in here where this crap is. Follow the actual abalone down. Scoop down in there and just pop it. Come back around to the other side, do the same thing. See, otherwise you get all this gunk like I just did. Just cut that off. Bit of burley. And they got they actually got little teeth in here. You can put your finger just in there, pop those teeth out. There's these little teethies. Out of the way. And then you'll cut away all this rough, I think there's a black lip oyster. Cut away all this lip here. Just slide your knife along there. Cut down at like an angle. Cut all that off. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. I'll give that a wash. So I've washed all that gunk off it now. See, this lighting's terrible. Now you're just cutting off all this gross rough edge. If you've got a better way to clean this, give me ideas, because it's not really my specialty. You can see here, still got all this black stuff on the sides there, if you can see. You want to scrape all that off too. So once you cleaned it all up, you're left with like this, it's like a squid texture. So when we chop this up into really fine pieces, because it's pretty chewy, any of my poly brothers watching this, I think they call this pawa. Probably got the wording wrong. I'm just a palangi. But they love them. They love them, all the usos. That's the abalone done. Real fine pieces. Not sure of the best way to cut these, but I'm guessing just straight down the middle. Hopefully don't break my hand, cut my hand. Oh no, lost a bit of meat. Was straight down the middle. You got like this guts in there. Just give that a clean out. And Bob's your uncle. Delicious. Delicioso. Oh no, I cut my foot open. So you never get anywhere. That I know better. Yes, I do.
We've got our first fish off the trip as we were just flying the drone on sunset.
That was decent.
What's he got?
Head shakes. Doesn't feel like a
It's a 3 metre flatty.
we've got no net. Fish over video.
Oh!
Oh. Mad head shake.
Oh. What do you reckon it is?
I'm gonna say flatty.
Right on the sunset. The scenery.
Only pretty light jewel. What is it? Oh, it's fucking eel, bro.
No way!
Typical Caleb in camping.
Oh no.
Oh, fuck that.
Is it?
Yeah, it's eel.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, we caught something. A dirty eel.
These big dirty eels.
Thought I was getting flathead fillets. Ugh.
Big dirty eel.
Ugh. Well, you've broken the curse of not catching anything here. Ugh. That is massive. Oh, they will bite your finger off. Yep.
I wish he'd break the fucking line and fuck off back where he came from.
Get the GoPro near Deb.
It's not flatty, but we'll have to try and get this guy off the line, back in. They're so strong. Alright. Hello.
Look at the big dirty crap now. Let me get the wood up.
Quick! Pretty much got the campsite to ourselves. Fire cranking. The next one will be a flatty, I reckon. Got to get the drone up before the sun sets.
Well, it's something.
Stay tuned.
Oh, entree going in. Lobster. Garlic butter lobster. Lost the spoon. Here it is. Turn that down. Slather on some butter. It's not me. Nice generous scoop of garlic.
Do you want some lobster with your garlic?
To your head torch down.
It's too dark then.
Let that melt. Oven's on. See you soon.
The garlic lobster cooked. Let's see how it goes. That's good. 10 out of 10. Needs a little bit of salt and pepper, but
Salt and pepper ready.
besides that, it's good. Very garlicky, but that's how I like it. Salt it up. Yeah, baby.
Don't want pepper.
I thought you weren't eating it all.
Oh, just smashed it. Let me in on this.
Actually, I want that one too because you brought all the other stuff.
I'll save you a little bit.
And I caught it, so
Good job.
yeah.
Try and take my shine. Oh, look at that. Bruh. Hey, get out of it. It's hectic.
Put the lid on.
So much garlic, I love it.
We constantly have garlic breath because I put garlic in everything. Caleb eats garlic out the jar.
I actually do. There you go. I'm a good boyfriend.
Thank you. I got 2 lobsters. I got 2 lobsters.
Go again.
I got 2 lobsters. I got 2 lobsters. Hey, hey, hey.
Trent just chilling in the background.
Oh, don't mind her.
Just a chill guy. And we got the pasta on, ready for some abalone pasta. Trent's pretty cultured pasta man.
Yeah, I'm in Europe.
Second dish going in, abalone.
What have you got with it?
Some creamy bacon packet pasta, a bit of luxury, and just going to put some garlic and probably a bit of butter with it.
As long as you got garlic and butter, that's all you need. Oh,
Generous amount of butter.
I ain't counting calories when we're counting.
Generous amount of garlic. Look.
Sicko.
Delicious. I'm not actually that big of a fan of abalone, to be honest, but I'm going to keep trying it different ways until I really enjoy it.
Honest review. That was just pasta.
I wouldn't. Yeah, it's alright, eh? It's probably like a... if you had it with like a nice pasta, it'd be a lot better, but the normal, like the pasta just overpowers it. So I'd probably say 5, 6 out of 10.
Over and out.